Next region we are going to talk about, that is tropical monsoon region. You can check this red color part. This whole part is showing tropical monsoon region. So southeastern Asia and the most part of the Indian subcontinent, you can see most part southeastern Asia and most part of the Indian subcontinent. Okay, and most part of the Indian subcontinent have a tropical monsoon winters. Tropical monsoon climate. This climate is characterized by a cool dry winters and a hot dry summers. So they have cool dry winters and hot dry summers, and a rainy season brought about by the monsoon winds. The rainfall is moderate to high. The rainfall in this region is moderate to high, ranging from about 50 centimeter to over 200 centimeter annually. Most of the rainfall, however, occurs within a few months of the year. The natural vegetation varies with the amount of rainfall. Different parts receive different amount of rainfall. That is why natural vegetation in Asia varies from place to place. The trees are mostly deciduous due to the marked by dry periods, because most of the year the climate is dry. That is why deciduous type of trees are found there. Although the places where rainfall is heavy, in those areas evergreen type of trees are found. Main trees are sal, teak, sandalwood, okay, which are commercially very important. These forests have dense growth of bamboo and shrubs also. The areas wherever the rainfall is low, like deserted area, okay, there only thorny bushes and shrubs are found. Okay, and the coastal area, wherever there is a coastal area in Asia, okay, the mangrove or tidal forest are found in the coastal marshy area. Okay, swampy coastal region, okay, mangrove or tidal forest are found. Okay, now one special characteristic which we all should know: much of the natural vegetation of Asia, due to heavy population, has been cleared to make way for agriculture. Due to the heavy population, or population just to fulfill the requirement of the increasing population, much of the natural vegetation is cleared just to make the way for agriculture and human settlements. Okay, so that this is the reason. Now many animals are found here, okay, like elephants dominate the wildlife of this region. Leopard, jackals, deer, monkeys, crocodiles, and various types of birds and snakes are also found here.